Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Open PowerPoint from the Start menu or Applications folder and choose a blank presentation. Use the ribbon to insert new slides, text boxes, shapes, and images quickly. Choose the 16:9 aspect ratio for modern displays in the Design tab. Pick a built-in theme or start from a blank slide for full control. Save your file often with Ctrl+S and use a clear name like Presentation Name. PPTX. Create folders named by project to keep multiple versions organized and easy to find. Set title font around 44 pt and body font around 32 pt for clear readability on screens. Use Slide Master to apply consistent headers, footers, logos, and placeholder positions across all slides. Apply a single color palette and 2 complementary fonts to keep visuals cohesive and professional. Keep margins near 1/2 inch and align content using the grid, guides, and smart align tools. Use high contrast text on backgrounds and limit bullet density to 3 items per slide for audience focus. Use Presenter View to view your notes, the current slide, and the upcoming slide while presenting. Connect to a projector or external display and confirm the 16:9 setting for proper fit. Rehearse timings and record narration when you want automated playback with precise slide durations. Export to PDF for easy sharing with collaborators and export to MP4 at 1920x1080 for high-quality video playback. Share via cloud link or attach presentation name. PPTX to email for collaborators to edit locally.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.